hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel, sriwworldofcoding. So today I'm going to solve 610 triangle judgment problem. So we have a table triangle and sides are xyz. So we need to find out whether with these sides we have a valid triangle or not. So let's write our code. So for a triangle to be valid, sum of any two sides has to be greater than third side. So let's write case when x plus y is less than z, then no. Okay. When y plus z is less than x, then also no. Okay. When z plus x is less than y, then even no, or else yes in all other cases. Okay. And as the table name is triangle, and yeah, the column name has to be triangle and the table name is also triangle. Okay, let's run our code to see whether it satisfies all condition or not, and click on submit. Okay. And it returns yes. Okay, so okay, so here has to be equal to sign as well. Okay, yeah, because sum of two sides has to be greater than the third side, so equal to satisfies as well. So here you can see all cases are pass. So let's move on to the next question. That is ID 1204, last person to fit the bus. So we have a table Q, which are having the column name, person ID, person name, weight, and term. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, and turn satisfy identifies in which order the person will board the bus. Okay, we need to return. Okay, so there is a queue of people waiting to board the bus. However, the bus has the weight limit of 100 kilogram. So we need to check how many people. Uh, so we need to find a solution to find a person name of the last person that can fit the bus without exceeding the weight limit. Okay. So if you see here, uh, okay, if you see here, we have this sample table and see first, first with ID 5, Alice will board the bus with weight 250. Then with second ID, whose name is Alex, whose weight is 340, and the sum of weight is 600. Similarly, one with turn 3 will board the bus, that is John Cena, and total sum is 1000. And we need to return the name of the John Cena, person who was the last person to board the bus. Okay, so we need to write the cumulative sum. So we can tweak, um, yeah. So we can tweak the sum function in such a way. Okay, uh, uh, such a way it returns the cumulative sum. Okay, so let's even return the person ID. Okay, for how it goes. Okay, let's even return the person name. uh, then let's return the weight and the and the cumulative sum. Okay, so for right we will write sum. Okay, um, let's write weight. We will write over order by, and we will write term. Okay, as let's say cumulative sum from table Q. Okay, so let's see what it returns. Select star from Q. So here you can see. Okay, so what's the issue? Okay, with, here it should be with. Yeah, my bad. Here will be with CTE as. Okay, so here you can see I'm returning the person ID, person name, weight, and term. Okay, or we can also write order by turn. ORDER by turn. So let's see to get the, yeah. Okay, yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm returning the cumulative sum. Okay. Oh, it should be CTE. Okay. So here you can see um, I'm returning term, person ID, person name, weight, and cumulative sum. So here you can see I'm getting the cumulative sum of all the weight. Until here, it's um, uh, it's here we are getting the weight as 1000. So we need to stop here and return the name of the person, uh, that is having weight less than 1000. So what we'll do, in order to return the name. Okay, okay, what we'll do, we'll write, okay, uh, where CS equal to yeah, less than equal to, yeah. What we can write, select max CS from CTE where CS less than equal to 1000. So this will return the name of person having weight less than 1000, and whose weight is the last person to on board the bus. Now moving to the next question, that is 1907, count salary strategies. Okay, so we have a table accounts in which account ID and income is present. So we need to find the solution to calculate the number of bank account um, for each salary category, where salary category is defined as low salary, in which individuals are having salary strictly less than 20,000, average salary between 20,000 to 50,000, and high salary, uh, number of individuals having high salary greater than 50,000. Okay, so what we will do, we will write, yeah, we will just, it's a concept of union. We will write low salary as category. Okay, comma count star from table accounts. Okay, and here again the column name will be, yeah, we will write where condition, where income is strictly, okay, strictly less than, yeah, is less than 20,000. Yeah, let's replicate the statement same 3 times. What we will do, we just write union, okay, and just I will update the average salary, and here will be high, and we'll just update the statements. For high, it has to be 50,000. Yeah, okay, and here income will be greater than equal to 20,000, and income less than equal to 50,000, 5,000, 50,000. Yeah, so let's see we are getting the desired output or not. Yeah, so here what we've done, we basically filter out all the accounts having salary between specified range. Okay, now move on to the next question. ID 1978, employee who manager left the company. So we have a table employees with these column names. We need to find out all the employees whose salary is strictly less than that is 30,000 and whose manager has left the company. So when a manager leaves the company, their information is deleted from the employee table, but reports still have their manager ID set to manager that left. Okay, so here you can see we have employee table. Uh, it's returning employee ID with 11. So let's see. Yeah. Okay. So the employees having salary less than 30,000 are 1 and 11. Okay. 1 and 11. Yeah. Kale. Okay. And you can see Kale. Manager is employee 1 who is still in the company. Yeah. And 11. 11 manager is 6 who has already, okay, so who has already left the company, and there is no row for employee 6. Okay, so we need to only return the employee whose salary is 11 and whose manager is still in the company. So what we can do, we will create a subquery with CTE as, okay, first select the name of the employee and the manager ID. I suppose it might be required. Okay, from employees table where salary is less than 30,000. Yeah, and what I will do, select employee ID from CTE. Okay, so what it will return, let's see. It will return, let's see what it returns. So it will return the employee ID and the manager ID of the employee who have salary less than 30,000. So here you can see it has written 1 and 11. So yeah, so we need to uh, okay, so we need to also see whose manager is present in the company as well. um, mhm. So how we can filter it out? We can write where manager ID is not in this employee table, whose manager ID is not an employee of this table. Yeah, here we can do like this: select employee ID from, we can write employees. Okay, on we can write order by let's say employee ID. Mm. And by the way, the above subquery is returning employee ID and manager ID. So let's uh, select the column that is required in the output. So what I've basically done, I've filtered all the employee ID and the manager ID whose salary is less than 30,000. Then what I've done, in order to filter out the employee, uh, filter out the manager who is in the company. So I've done like this. So what this statement where condition will do, it will filter all the uh, employee which are not existing in the company and who is the manager. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.